A retailer buys bubble wrap phone cases in bulk for $2 each. Then the retailer marks up the phone case by 449.5%. Take a look at this phone case. It's meant for people who like to pop bubble wrap. You can pop and repop it over and over again. And I want you to picture what a retailer is. An example of a retailer would be Walmart, Amazon, Kohl's, Hobby Lobby, Dick's Sporting Goods. Those are all retailers. Now, these retailers don't make the products that are in their store. They buy them from another company and then they sell them in their store. Now, it is true that Walmart has its own brand, Great Value. Some stores do that, but most of the things in Walmart are purchased and then they mark it up. So it's purchased from another company. So this retailer buys bubble wrap phone cases for $2 each. So that's the wholesale price. They get this cheaper price because this company buys in bulk. They buy a ton of these. So they get a cheaper price. Then the retailer marks it up so they make a profit. So they mark it up by 449.5% of the wholesale price. So 449.5% of the $2. And then I need to change that percent to a decimal so I can multiply it. You can't multiply until this percent is in decimal form. I move the decimal 2 times to the left and it ends up between the 4 and the 4. So it's 4.495. Don't round this. This is not money. And then I'll come back over here and I'll type, this became 4.495. Of means multiplication, and I'm multiplying by that $2. So I'll go ahead and take a calculator and multiply 4.495 times 2, and I get $8. I get $8.99. So that's the markup dollar amount. You want to put the markup dollar amount here. A lot of people are making the mistake of putting the percent written as a decimal up here. That does not go there. Instead, you want this dollar amount, the in this case markup dollar amount, to go here. Now a markup increases the price of the item, so we're going to add the $8.99 and the $2, which gives us, let me grab a typing tool, $10.99. So this is the retail price that the retailer set. So the retailer is going to sell it for $10.99. The retailer bought it for $2, so every time they sell one of these bubble wrap phone cases, the retailer makes $8.99 profit. Now the retailer has to consider all of the other expenses that go into selling this item. So when I say profit, I mean technically the $8.99 might actually go towards some of their other expenses to keep their store open.